Guys, today we will talk about how can you play on your Monopoly Go. So all you have to do to play, so you just click here on Go here. Then when you click here on Go, it's gone. So you keep going, click here on Go. Then it's going to take you here. This so like you see now. So this chip here. So just click here on Go again. Then it's going to play with you here, like you see, and you collect money here. So and when you keep going, click here, then it's going to so take you to collect so more money. And only can you so can you build for someone, and you can get money when you build for someone here when you click on Go. So then here it's going to take you, and can you get taxi, and there is a lot of so there is a lot of things can you do here when you play on your Monopoly Go. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. So just keep here on Go, and it's going to play with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like so like you see now. So when it's going to click here, it's going to take us here to this list to choose. So I'm going to choose here. So like you see now, I'm choose money here. That's mean I collect this money here. Just click on collect, and it's going to add with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.